Udemy, which I believe will end up in a very poor house soon, that has 30 million customers and 40,000 instructors, and they've actually just blown out in a very poor way the online education space. Now, originally, they had the right idea, which is allowing people to bring in their own courses and value their own courses at what they thought the outcome was going to be for the user. But now this mandate of a cap on pricing has created a commoditized industry for anyone on Udemy. And I know people on Udemy and some of the biggest producers, and they really are having a difficult time making money, even though the promise is there's 30 million students. The bottom line is the best instructors on Udemy only get 8% completion rates. You see so many people online on Facebook advertising courses and this and that, and they're looking and sharing like they're doing amazing. But let me share with you, after doing $1.6 million in sales with only 12% completing our courses, on the outside, we looked great. But on the inside, it was a travesty and a tragedy. And that is the world we live in.